It's not uncommon for owners of vehicles without a tachometer to add either a standalone aftermarket gauge or new cluster with tach to allow them to monitor engine RPM. Our part number CA6907 provides all the components required to make this type of connection, as well as detailed installation instructions for the process. This allows you to use a tach of your choosing without purchasing a brand new dash harness or cutting and splicing any wires. Installation is simple. This part number includes a pigtail with the 3-way tach connector for the gauge inside the car. Simply remove your cluster, install the connector, and route the wires under the dash. First, disconnect the battery. Remove the fuse panel and split it apart from the bulkhead. Next, plug the brown tach signal wire into the appropriate open cavity of the bulkhead connector. This is the dash side of the signal wire for the gauge and will eventually connect to the engine harness feed from under the hood. Connect the black ground wire to a good chassis ground and plug the pre-terminated pink wire into one of the available ignition feed taps in the face of the fuse panel. This will complete the power and ground side of the connection. With the dash side of the modification complete, disconnect the main engine harness bulkhead connector under hood. If your harness is original or has seen a fair amount of use, it may be necessary to remove old grease or sealant with a soft brush or screwdriver. Plug the flat male terminal on the supplied engine side pigtail into the back of the bulkhead connector and reinstall the engine harness. This would be a good time to add a small amount of silicone sealant to protect the new connection. Finally, route the flag terminal end of the negative side of the ignition coil to complete the signal circuit to the tachometer. Aftermarket tachometers may require a tach filter, which should be added at the recommendation of the tach manufacturer. In addition to following us on YouTube, please check us out on Facebook, Car Buff Network, Instagram, and AmericanAutowire.com.